Please click on the subscribe button and the bell to never miss our latest videos. Thank you.
Hello friends, today 10th November, Lakshmi Mills Company Limited declared excellent set of Q2 results. Total income increased 32% quarter on quarter basis, net profit increased 84% quarter on quarter basis, EPS increased 84.26% quarter on quarter basis, and if you compare year on year basis, the income increased 153.81%, net profit increased 354.31%, EPS increased 354.28%. So excellent set of numbers declared by Lakshmi Mills Company Limited. If it maintains this run rate of EPS growth, it is going to cross rupees 400 for the whole year. Okay, so if you see EPS TTM is as of now it is coming 342.30. If it maintains this EPS run rate, then it will cross surely 400. It has made a 52-week high today of rupees 4,387, and also the good point is for a very long time the price band was 5%. Recently it was changed to 10%. Company delivered excellent result. The volume also increasing day by day. That shows interest of investor on this company. If you see here, September 93.39 crore, net profit 8.330 crore, EPS of 119.31, cash EPS of 143%, OPM 17.50%, net profit margin is 8.89%, and more importantly its face value is rupees 100 and it is a low equity base 6.96. so with the sales of 93.39 crore it is making a profit of 8.30 crore. So excellent, and its book value also around 7,000, so it is undervalued. Normally the shares which is having this much EPS with the very low floating share with the face value of 100, it will be double of the book value. Okay, that means there is a tremendous opportunity where price appreciation can happen. Also last year there was a COVID, so compared to last year certainly we will see this year there is a improvement, so which we have clearly seen September 20 to September 21. You can see revenue is increased, EPS is increased. Okay, in fact it was negative. Now coming to December. Okay, so December last year also we had a COVID impact. Now this December quarter, that is October, November, December, we have seen school, colleges, functions are opening, people are going to offices, so the demand for cloth is increasing. As the COVID unlocking is happening, demand for textile is increasing. Also government is giving PLA scheme benefits, and also export also increasing. Similarly, cotton yarn prices also increasing, cotton prices are increasing, all are favorable. All these are happening after many years in the textile sector. So surely in December 21, I am expecting a good turnaround in terms of revenue, in terms of the EPS and the net profit. Similarly, it will continue for March also. March 2022. Okay, so net we can see very good momentum going to happen, plus it is having 4.86% in Lakshmi Machine Works Limited. Also, government focus on defense sector, spinning mill, textile sector, okay, textile machinery, textile parks. Okay, so demand for Lakshmi Machine Works shares also is going to increase. So if you see, it is also touching the 52 weeks high. Okay, so Lakshmi Machine Works is predicted to cross towards 15,000. Okay, and Lakshmi Mills Limited will cross 6,000 plus. Okay, so reasons are simple. Its revenue is increasing, its EPS will increase, COVID unlocking is happening. Okay, now more and more people are purchasing for Diwali, New Year and all. So malls are opening, schools are opening. So all this will benefit textile sector. And also in this season, textile stocks are in favorite for most of the investor, and you can see clearly the change, right? If you see here, price appreciation started. Now people are ready to buy 4,100 plus rate for this share. So going forward, this will be limelight. More and more investors will try to look into this, because it will come into their eyes because of the EPS growth, because of the net profit, and because of the face value, low equity base. Okay, so anytime when the momentum starts in any low equity based share, it gives 20 to 30% returns in a very short time. Okay, so one should keep invested, have a longer term view. Okay, so that you are sure that you will get a good return. It is undervalued compared to its book value. Okay, so all the best. Many congratulations to the investors of Lakshmi Mills Company Limited for the excellent result. Thank you.